Hey guys, welcome to another part of the Python script series. Today we're going to be creating a script that does a random, it picks out random numbers between 0 and 9. We could make it a bit bigger, but let's see how we do with 0 to 9 first, and then we can do a little bit of diversity with that. Okay. So, in the last video, I showed you guys how to do printing words onto the script. But that was very simple. It's somewhere around 3 lines of code. Now, basically 2, because the second one is space, and then the first and the third one is just normal with some words. Okay, right, and symbols. Okay, so what we want to do first, we want to go into the template. Okay, and then we want to put in import. Oops, that's import space random. Okay, import space random. Now I'm going to do 2 spaces, and on the third script line, on the third line, we're going to do print open bracket random dot rand randint open bracket 0 little thing there, and then whatever number you want to put, but I think you should put 9 just to test it first. Okay, 0 to 9. So what we're doing here on this script is you're going to put in it's just imports random. Okay, just import random there, then print. It's going to print the random number that you have asked it to generate. So it goes print, and then it's randomly picking. It's just randomly without you telling the script what to pick. So the computer could be picking 8, 6, 2, 1, who knows. It's going to be a random number between them 2 numbers, but you could make it a little bit bigger. But let's try to see how it goes. Okay, so we're going to run. Okay, something's gone wrong. Oh, yeah, right, that's what's supposed to happen. We have 2 close brackets here, okay? Right. So, the more as we can see, when we run the program, we can see that it changes throughout different numbers. But we want a different variety. So, we want to come here. We're going to change the 9 to a 100. We're going to change it to 100. And see, it's picking out numbers every time we run the script. And it's just going to keep picking randomly. Okay? So, what we want to also do here, just to give it a little bit more of a customization, we're going to print a word. Luckily, you guys know how to do it now. So, we're going to print, and it's going to be welcome to my random number script. Because it's not an app. I was thinking to do an app, but okay, right. So here we got welcome to my random number script 41. Then it just keeps them randomly picking. But do we want to do it just numbers? Can we do it as words as well? So we're gonna let's see what it does with words. So we're gonna put silly and then let's see. I think we need to put different words. So we can just put lots of different words. Okay, like this. Okay, and that went wrong. I was hoping it went right. But let's take it back to numbers, because it's obviously going well with numbers. So let's put it, let's do 0 to 100. And it works, doesn't it? It literally works. So, yeah. We've got it to work, guys. How amazing is that? Wow. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you didn't, then make sure to smash the dislike button. But if you did, then smash that like button like you never smashed the like button before. And this has been Desktops. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.